Alright, we're gonna try this one more time. It was in the fridge, so it's not overheated anymore. Peelable candy. We peel it. Okay. I peeled it. There it is. There it is. Bam. That's the lychee ball. Pride pool party going on downstairs. We're in our hotel room. We're doing the Don Quijote food hall review. I'll put my score based on taste, convenience, price, whatever it is. No logic to it. My opinion, 1 out of 10 on the screen. As we live it up to the Pride pool party music coming up from downstairs. Underneath the chandelier, grocery haul. Oh. Salt and pepper, potato chips. Pretty good. No.
Wait, it's really thick.
My phone. I want well.
Put it away, sir. Tim Tim, all the way from Australia.
That's Australia's best.
I wish I would have some milk.
Yeah.
It's good, huh?
It's good cookie, yeah.
It's nothing that you've had before. Rainbow? Can you see the rainbow? I don't think the camera can pick up the rainbow. Well, there's a rainbow. Happy Pride! Happy Pride! Yeah, tastes like potato and butter. Eat it.
The light's not light. Turn. Sunset over here. Storm over here. Woo.
It's kind of
There's salt and vinegar. Regular Pringles chip, probably.
Cheers.
Regular Pringles chip, pretty good.
No. That's an aftertaste. That's an aftertaste.
Bad or good? It's like a regular Pringles chip to me.
That's an aftertaste. Yeah, it's not regular.
We'll wait for the beat to drop.
It's not gonna drop.
Okay. I don't get too much.
I don't like it.